Hi, my name is Dr. Sameer Gupta and I'm an interventional cardiologist. Now we all know that heart disease is rampant in India, and if you think about it, we all know someone who's got heart disease. But what are the steps that we can take to try and reduce the risk of heart disease? Well, that's what we'll talk about right now. First, know your risk of heart disease. The older you are, the higher your risk of heart disease. And if you have a family history of heart disease, like your father, mother, brother, sister, or a first degree relative who has heart disease or who had a heart attack, then your risk of heart attack and heart disease is significantly higher. Blood pressure. Blood pressure is what we call the silent killer. Blood pressure significantly increases your risk of heart disease. So it's very important to control it. If you do have blood pressure, be regular with the medicines. And if you don't have blood pressure, just check it every now and then, maybe at home if you have a machine at home, or the doctor's office, or maybe in the mall where there's a camp. Get your blood pressure checked and make sure you don't have underlying blood pressure. Quitting smoking is one of the healthiest things that you can do to reduce your risk of heart disease and be healthy in general. And it's not just smoking. Even secondhand smoke is very deleterious for your health, and try and stay away from smoke. Exercise. Exercise is known to have multiple benefits, not just in reducing your risk of heart disease, but also for your overall health. In fact, studies have shown that if you do have a family history of heart disease, one of the ways you can reduce your risk is by exercising. Diabetes. Diabetes is also a major risk factor in heart disease, and controlling your diabetes significantly reduces your risk of having a heart attack. Stress. Stress has a very important role to play in increasing your risk of heart disease, and this may be professional stress from work or personal stress from home or any other stress that you may face. Chronic stress, whether it be professional stress from work, personal stress from home, or any other stressor that you may have, significantly increases your risk of having heart disease. And reducing your stress by exercise, yoga, and meditation can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. And most importantly, take control of your health. Take charge of your health, because it's only you who can reduce your risk of heart disease.